Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Ryo. Today we are making tsukune chicken meatball wrapped with shiso leaves. You know, we got lots of variations for tsukune. I believe one of the most popular one is to be served with skewers like yakitori. But today's version is much more simple. I mean, super easy to make and the taste would be super yummy. So why don't we try making it? Alright, the main ingredients for tsukune chicken meatball is only 4. The first one is, of course, ground chicken. You need about 200 grams of it for 2 person. Ingredient number 2 is shiso leaves. You need 10 leaves. We use 6 of them to wrap the meatball and use 4 of them in the tsukune chicken meatball mix. Ingredients number 3 is white part of leek. I believe 2 inches long is enough. Ingredients number 4 is little bit of grated ginger. Plus you need 1 tablespoon of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of miso in the tsukune meatball mix. And for seasoning, you need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of mirin, and a little bit of sugar. Well, you have 5 steps to make it. The step number 1 is to cut off the stems of shiso leaves and cut 4 of them into pieces. Then shred white part of leek also into small pieces. Step number 2 is to make the meatball mix. You know, mix the ground chicken with the cut shiso leaves, leeks, and 1 teaspoon of miso and 1 tablespoon of sake, plus 1 tablespoon of potato starch and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. The step number 3 is to make patties. After you divide the patties into 6. Make oval shape with your hands and wrap each of them with shiso leaves. Step number 4 is to heat the tsukune in a frying pan. Heat the basil oil, place the tsukune meatballs and heat them in medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes with the lid on. Then the final step, number 5, is to season with soy sauce 2 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoon of mirin and a little bit of sugar. Okay, that's it. Why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Step 1 is to cut off the stem of shiso leaves and shred the white part of leek into pieces. First, we're going to wash the shiso leaves. Yeah, then remove the excess water with paper towel. Okay, it's done. Then select 6 about same size leaf, 5, 6. Those are the ones that I guess. Yeah, these 6 ones I'm gonna use it for wrapping the tsukune chicken meatball mix. And rest of it, 4 pieces, I'm gonna use it in the tsukune meatball mix. Okay, then go to leek stuff. Okay, cut them into pieces. Okay, they are all cut, so we're going on to step 2. Alright, why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to make tsukune chicken meatball mix. Yeah, this is ground chicken with cut shiso leaves, cut white part of leek. Plus you need a little bit of grated ginger. I've already peeled the skin, about 1 teaspoon. Miso 1 teaspoon and with 1 tablespoon of sake. Yeah. Okay, I put about a teaspoon of potato starch. Right, mix it with these 2 spoons. Yeah, when it's nicely mixed, just divide them into 6. Like this. Oh yeah. Okay, then wrap it with the shiso leaves. Alright, let's go on to step number 3. Step number 3 is to make oval shape with your palm and wrap it with shiso leaves. Always skin side up, like this. Right, the second one. Okay, like this. Right, it's gonna be the last one. Yeah, it's the biggest. Okay, wrap it with shiso leaves. 2, right? Alright, what am I going to step number 4? Step number 4 is to heat the tsukune chicken meatball. I heated the frying pan, so I add the vegetable in it and place the tsukune meatball wrapped with shiso. Okay, turn on the stove, put it in medium heat, put the lid on for 5 to 6 minutes. Right now, 2 minutes have passed, so why don't you flip over the tsukune? Yeah, it's awesome. Right, so why don't we heat 2 or 3 more minutes? Alright, now 5 minutes has passed, so why don't we go on to step 5, the final step. Season it with a bit of sugar, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. With onion, 1.5 tablespoon. Yeah, flip it over once or twice. Yeah, looks awesome, isn't it? Wow, it looks great. Right, it's done. Okay, now it's time to plate it. Yeah, it looks awesome. Yeah, plate the tsukune. Alright, now tsukune chicken meatball wrapped with shiso leaves are ready. Looks awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, now you know to make tsukune chicken meatball wrapped with shiso leaves. It's pretty easy, so why don't you try making it at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be happy if you leave some comments down below, put some thumbs up button, and subscribe. Take good care, and see you in the next video. Arigato, bye bye!